Alright, hello my wonderful students. This is foldable 1 of section 4.1. This is classifying polynomials. This is basically just me naming polynomials. So let's go ahead and get started with this first one. Zoom in here, try to get this all nice and dandy. And the first one we have here is just 3. And this is a constant. And it is also a constant, but it only is constant of one term. So it is a constant monomial, because monomial means one term. These are all in your book notes. I just wanted to go over it for a sec to make sure you guys kind of understand it. We're going to do the first 4 here for the video. The second one has 2 terms, but since you always want to put the highest level of degree in front, so we're going to rewrite this as 2x minus 1. We just basically switch these around so that the biggest number is on front. So we now this is a linear term. Oops. Linear term, but it's 2, so it's a linear binomial because there's 2 terms, bi meaning 2. Next one, we got this one here. This one's kind of a little bit jumbled up, so we're actually going to do our distribution here. So we have x squared plus 5x minus 5x minus 25. When we simplify, this is going to be x squared 5x minus 5x equals 0 minus 25, which is a perfect square, by the way. Or not a perfect square. Difference of 2 squares, but that doesn't matter. All that really matters is the first term. And we can see this is a quadratic. Oops, quadratic. And it's also 2 terms, so this is also going to be a binomial. Move up a little bit so you can see quadratic binomial. There you go. The next one here, we have 1 minus 2s plus 5s to the 4th power. So we're going to rewrite this to make sure that the highest exponential value is in front. So we have our 5s to the 4th power. Then we have our minus 2s. And then our plus 1. And now we know this is a quartic, because to the 4th power is quartic. So no x is a constant, 1x is linear, 2x squared is a quadratic, and then x to the 4th is a quartic. And this is 3 terms, so it's going to be a trinomial. Anytime it's like this, you're going to have monomial, binomial for 2, and then a trinomial for 3, and then anything above that is going to be a polynomial. Okay? Even though they're technically all polynomials, except for monomial.